Hello everyone, welcome back to Grey Pot. Looking for a refreshing twist on a classic Indian kheer? Try this delicious and unique watermelon kheer, a creamy, fruity and a perfect summer treat. So into a large pan, add some ghee and roast some nuts and raisins. Once it turns into a golden color, take it out. Into the same leftover ghee, add some watermelon cubes. Saute that for around 5 minutes. Then add some semolina. Once the semolina absorb all the ghee, dry roast it for 5 minutes. Then add some milk. Here I've used boiled milk. Now mix it. And once it comes to a nice good boil, add some sugar. Mix it and let the sugar melt completely. Then add some cardamom powder and the fried nuts and raisins. Once it becomes thick, our watermelon kheer is ready. Enjoy this light and fruity watermelon kheer as a perfect summer treat. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more unique recipes. Thanks for watching.